everyone, my name is Rachel Washburn and welcome to a tutorial on texting with smartphones. In this video, we will discuss several functions available on the default text messages app on the smartphone. We will discuss how to create a phone contact, start a text conversation, reply to a text message, text a picture, use emojis, use speech to text, and search for a text conversation. There is a lot covered in this video, so if you would like a written guide of all the content from this video, tap on the link in the description below. Tapping on the link will bring you to the Tech Skills website created by Colorado State University's Center for Healthy Aging, where you can find more video tutorials and technology guides. We will first discuss how to create a phone contact for a phone number, so we can easily and quickly text or call someone in the future without needing to remember their phone number. The first step to creating a phone contact is tapping on the Contacts app on the home screen. The Contacts app is one of the default apps on the smartphone, so usually you do not need to go to the App Store to download it. The Contacts app is usually characterized by the outline of a person. If you do not see the Contacts app, try dragging a finger horizontally to access more apps on the home screen. In most Contacts app, the first screen you see after opening the app provides a list of all your contacts in alphabetical order by first name. You can scroll vertically to view all the contacts. To add a new contact, tap on the Add icon. The Add icon may be located at the upper right corner, but some phones may have the Add icon located in a different location as well. The Add icon is characterized with the shape of a cross or plus sign. Tapping the Add icon will bring up the menu where we can type in all the information for a person's phone number. Tapping on each text box will display the keyboard for you to type in the appropriate information. First, tap on the text box where it says Name to type in the person's name. Then, tap on the text box where it says Phone, then type in the person's phone number. Once you have typed in the person's name and phone number, tap Done or Save, depending on what your device says. This is the last step to creating a phone contact. Next, we will learn how to start a text conversation by sending a text message. First, tap on the Messages app on your home screen. This app is usually characterized with a speech bubble. The Messages app is a default app that is preloaded on all smartphones, so you should not need to download it from the App Store. Upon opening the app, you will usually see a list of text conversations. Numbers that are saved as a phone contact will display the name of the person you were texting. If a number is not saved as a phone contact, it will display the phone number. To start a new text conversation, tap on the New Message icon. This icon may look different and may be in a different location depending on the type of phone you have. Usually, this icon is located at the top right or bottom right corner of the screen. After tapping the New Message icon, tap on the text box that says to display the keyboard. Then, type in the recipient with a phone contact name or phone number. You can also add more than one recipient to create a group chat. To add another person, tap the Enter key on the keyboard, then type in another phone number or phone contact name. Next, tap on the text box above the keyboard. Sometimes this text box will say Message or type a message. After typing the message you would like to send, tap on the Send icon. The Send icon is often characterized by a paper plane or upward arrow. This is the last step to sending a text message to create a text conversation. Next, we will discuss how to reply to a text or continue a text conversation. Similar to how we started a text conversation, we will tap on the Messages app on the home screen. So whenever someone texts us, we can find their text in the Messages app. In our list of text messages, the most recent text messages will appear at the top of the screen. Older text messages will appear towards the bottom. If you have many text conversations, you can scroll down by dragging a finger from the bottom to the top of the screen. So let's say I want to reply to a text message that Phil sent me. so I need to tap on the rectangle with Phil's name on it. Next, tap on the message text box at the bottom of the screen. Tapping on the text box will display the keyboard. Once you have typed the message you would like to send, tap on the send icon. This is the last step to reply to someone. Now that I have responded to Phil, I may want to reply to someone else. If I want to return to the screen that displays my list of text conversations, I need to tap on the back icon located at the top left corner of the screen. Now that we've learned how to send a written text, let's look at how to send a picture. First, in the Messages app, tap on a text conversation. You will notice I added some icons to our screen diagram. These extra icons are usually always present. I just now added them to make the content of the diagram easier to look at. To send a picture in a text conversation, we need to tap on the Photos icon. On some phones, this will be located next to the text box for the message. If you do not see a Photos icon, you might have to tap on the Add icon to view more options, which will likely include a Photos option. Upon tapping on the Photos icon, a series of pictures will appear. These are the same pictures you would find in your Photos app. We know when a picture is selected with the intention of being sent when the perimeter of the picture is highlighted. Once you have tapped the pictures you would like to send, tap on Send, located at the top of the screen. Often, the most recent pictures will appear at the top when viewing your pictures in the Messages app. If you do not see a picture you are looking for, you can also scroll downwards by dragging a finger from the bottom to the top of the screen. Next, we will discuss how to text emojis, which are a quick way to express an emotion through text. Starting in a text conversation, we first want to tap on the text box for the message, which will display the keyboard. On the keyboard, there will be a happy face icon either at the top or bottom of the keyboard. Tapping on the happy face icon allows you to switch from the letter keyboard to the emoji keyboard. On the iPhone, the happy face icon is located at the bottom left corner of the keyboard. On some Android phones, the happy face icon will appear above the keyboard. Once we have switched to the emoji keyboard, we can tap on any of the emojis and they will be added to our message text box. Once we have added the emojis in the text box, tap on the send icon. Now that we have learned how to access the emoji keyboard, it's important to know how to return back to the letter keyboard. To return to the letter keyboard on the iPhone keyboard, tap on the ABC at the bottom left corner. If you have an Android phone, tap on the keyboard icon also located at the bottom left corner. Another thing to know about the emoji keyboard is that there are a ton of emojis. To view more emojis, drag a finger horizontally across the screen. The last thing to know about the emoji keyboard is that you can search for an emoji using keywords. Let's say I am looking for a soccer emoji. I can tap on the text box above the emojis and type in the word soccer. Then, the keyboard will only show emojis related to soccer. I can then tap on the emoji I want to send in the text. Something to note is that the letter keyboard is displayed to allow you to search for the emoji using keywords. If you wanted to use the letter keyboard to type words for your text message, you would first need to tap on the message text box, which is above the search emoji text box. The next topic we will discuss is using the speech-to-text option of keyboards. This is a helpful tool if you often tap on the wrong key on the keyboard. The speech-to-text option generates text by listening to words spoken out loud. The first step to using text-to-speech is to tap on the microphone icon. The second you tap the microphone icon, the phone will start listening for words spoken out loud. The phone will generate words in the text box as you speak. Once you are finished with your message, tap on the microphone again to stop the phone from listening to you. Then, tap on the send icon. If the phone did not quite generate the words correctly, you can tap on the delete key. The last feature we will discuss is how to search for a text conversation. This can be especially useful if you are trying to find a text with specific information. I often use this tool when I am trying to find an address or a recipe that someone sent me. Upon first opening the Messages app, tap on the text box with the search icon or tap on a magnifying glass shown on the screen. Tapping on the search icon will display the keyboard. Type in a keyword of a text that you were looking for. For example, I typed in the word pickleball. Then, my phone will show recent text with the word pickleball in it. Once you see the text you are looking for, tap on the text to view the text conversation. If you do not see the text you are looking for, tap on See All, located at the top of the screen, to view other texts with the keyword in it. In this video, we discussed many features related to texting with smartphones. I hope this video was helpful. If you would like to view a written document of everything we covered in this video or watch other technology tutorial videos, tap on the link below. Tapping on the link will bring you to the Tech Skills website created by Colorado State University's Center for Healthy Aging, where you can find more video tutorials and technology guides.